Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this delicious, high protein, vegan mango lassi smoothie. If you want the recipe, just keep on watching. First, you want to start off with one frozen banana. This is optional. I just wanted to add it just to make it a little creamier. Next, you want to add in a lot of frozen mangoes. The more the better. Next, you want to add some silken tofu. Actually, this is not silken tofu, it's soft tofu. After that, you want to add a sweetener of your choice. Here I'm using some agave nectar. You can use dates, date sugar, cane sugar, whatever you want. But I'm using agave, as you can see here. Next, you want to add some cardamom powder. This is what's typically used in a traditional mango lassi. After that, you want to add your milk of choice. I'm using soy milk here. And that's it. You just want to blend all of that stuff up. I love this smoothie for after a workout. It's absolutely perfect. It's so refreshing and it's high in protein, which I love. You can even add some mint into this, like blend it in, and it'll taste so good. But yeah, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what you think about the recipe in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching again. Bye!